Summit's forecast for the northern Adirondacks of New York. The rest of tonight. National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York, northwestern Franklin County in northern New York, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Canton to Fine, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Canton, Norfolk, Madrid, Fort Covington, Norwood, Colton, Bombay, Bushton, St. Regis, Morley, Lawrenceville, DeGrasse, Shipman, Lake Azonia, Messina International Airport, Richards Field, Helena, Brasher Falls, Cherry Falls Reservoir, Dickinson and Lisbon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.